my mama used to tell me. She said flies was the devil's eyes. Oh, my mama used to tell me. Said flies was the devil's ears and eyes. And if you was to see a crow on a chimney, meant somebody's fixing to die. I looked up on a shack late one day. I saw a crow on a stovepipe. I looked up on a shack late one day. I saw a crow perched on a stovepipe. Daddy come running in, said, gather everybody up. Them clouds outside's tornado ripe. We was running to the cellar when it began to rain and hail. We was running to the cellar when it began to rain and hail. The sky was black and jade now, and them clouds had grown a tail. We was hunkered down in the darkness, and outside was a fitful sound. We was hunkered down in the darkness, and outside was a fitful sound. It was as if God himself was belching and growling and spitting on the ground. Oh, Mama's crying, Daddy's cussing, little sister, she's just sniveling. Oh, Mama's crying, Daddy's cussing, little sister, she's just sniveling. We come out that hole in the ground, and all directions of the compass was death and kindling. When we come out that hole in the ground, and all directions of the compass was death and kindling.